This is the Nagaon beach, which is being highly polluted now with all kinds of muck. Apart from, of course, the oils patches that are being thrown back by the sea. This is a highly worrisome situation. This we can say the nature's return gift to us, because whatever we throw into the sea has been coming back. It does come back, and it has been coming back here in MMR beaches also, Mumbai Metropolitan Region. Whatever is the reason, it's highly worrisome that we're seeing these oil patches in the beaches at MMR, Mumbai Metropolitan Region. Which is why, in fact, we tweeted to the Aditya Thackeray, our environment minister, central environment minister Bhupender, Yadav, to order a high-level technical inquiry, because any kind of probe into these kind of issues has to be highly technical to understand the depth of the problem, the nature of the problem, and the impact thereof on the marine life. Our friend Dilip Kohli, who is an activist of Paramparik Machimar Bachao Samiti, Kutti Samiti, which is the traditional fishermen's rights protection forum, has been campaigning to keep the seas clean. Apart from getting their rightful way to go out into the sea and fish, but these oil patches, oil slicks, they say they are worrisome, because it's bound to affect the marine life. It's such a beautiful beach. Very sad to see this beautiful piece of nature is being highly polluted.